Hello everyone, welcome back to our video number 5. And in this video, I'm trying to get the information whether the answer given by the student is right or wrong. The answer given by the student is right or wrong. So to display that information, I would like to build an email so that it gets displayed here whether the answer is right or wrong. And to do that, I need to ensure that I am displaying that information here. So I'll be building that email, which will be in my application. So here is my existing email, which will be sent immediately after when they submit it, but they'll be not given the answer whether it is right or wrong. But I want to know whether it is right or wrong. To do that, I'll be taking the help of the answers given by the student. Okay, so this is my data extension, which is having the answers given by the student. And this is the one which has quiz with right answers. Okay, which is the right answer. So I'll be taking that first. I'm improvising the code. Here is the answer from the questions table. Okay, this is the questions table from where we are getting the answers. Okay, so based on the subscriber key, so I'm getting the questions using lookup rows. I'm getting all the questions I'm getting all the answers, the number of answers given. And based on that, from the questions, I'm getting one record, options, and I need to have the QA, the answer for the question. Okay. Answer for the question, which is coming from this field. Now, I want to check what is the answer given by the student, which is present in this D. And here is the answer. Here is the answer, which is given by the student. It might be a lengthy one, just mm, okay. So this is the answer given by the students. Now I have to compare this answer with this answer and tell whether it is right or wrong. To display that, so here we have the questions, here we have the options. So I would like to improvise this one. Let me make a copy and I'll call this one as a quiz app. So let me go into email quiz app. This is my answers email. Okay, my answers email. So now I want to display whether it is right or wrong. So these are the options. Here is the answer given. I have to display whether it is right or wrong. So I have the question, the answer for the question, and the student answer. Now compare whether they are equal. If, then, else, and observe the syntax first. And now I want to check these two variables. Q&A is equal to the student answer. If it is equal, okay, in this case, if it is equal, so then I need to display the answer. Set at ANSWERMESS answer message, double quotes or single quotes. Mm, this is the correct answer. Okay, this is the correct answer. If not, it will be showcasing as a wrong answer. Okay, this is the message. So this is ready, and this message will be printed next to their message. Double percentage, double equals double percentage. I want to display that variable. Answer message likes. Okay, so here is my content ready. I want to test this first, and then I want to know how many of them is right or wrong. So I'll take a variable set at right answers is equal to 0. Set at uh, correct answer and wrong answer. I want it to be 0 initially so that I can count it. Along with that, I'll try to increment this one by 1. If it is correct, set at correct answer is equal to add at correct answer plus 1. Okay. This will be set with 1 and wrong answer will be set with W. WA. So I'm just incrementing it because I need it for the final result. Okay. So here is my code, which is also counting the correct number of answers and wrong. After the loop is completed, I would just like to display your total score. Your total score. Mhm. What is the number of questions asked? That is given by this one. Okay. Your total score. In this, I would like to display correct answers, questions asked, questions asked, double percentage, double equals double percentage. Okay. So in the next line, I would like to display questions asked, correct answers, colon, and wrong answers. I want to display after the loop. So correct answers, double percentage, double equals double percentage, which will be displayed with a variable CA and W. CA is for correct answer, W is for wrong answer. Okay, let us see whether it works in the email. So I would like to build that email and test that also. Okay. So now let us build that. So let me duplicate this one. I'll answer, this is answer submitted. I'll be calling this one as result email. Okay, we'll try to have a later. So save and edit. This is my section where I have written the code and I'll update it. So this is my code. Okay, done editing. Hi. First name. Um, Here is your result and score associated. I'll go to the next one. Now I would like to preview it on my participants. Data extension, quiz app, because this is my answers. So let us see how many questions have been answered. Okay, there is an error. And here the error is saying that it is, please contact set script. resolve the expression which is at the subscriber key. Okay. So here is the subscriber key. I need to update it with contact key. This column, the name is wrong. That is the reason it is throwing an error for me because the column which I was referring is different. What is there in that, it is different. Let us see whether it works. Now you can see this. There is an H5 here, which is okay, that's fine. But it is not displaying me. It is wrong. This is correct. Okay. But it is not displaying the entire result, right? So let us see what has gone wrong. So I have H5 getting displayed. Where is that H5? Okay, here is the H5. Why it is wrong? ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿದೆ H5 ಓಪನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ವೈ H5 ಓಪನ್ ಓಕೆ okay, this is getting inside. Okay, next of I, and here I should be closing my app script, display, and I should open the AMP script because it is HTML. Let us see whether we can get the result. Now we should display. Okay. Number of questions asked is 2. Correct answer 1. Wrong answer 1. Okay. Break ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ you're getting. So this is the video which I wanted to do, one separate one. So now it should be showing me the correct answers, wrong answers, and also number of questions asked, how much is that they have correctly answered and how much they have wrongly answered. Still, this break is not working. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ? This is my questions, answers, count. AMP script is closed. This is my H4 tag. And here is my H1 tag. Okay, that's fine. Let's not break our heads there. Okay, this is good. Okay. Questions, and here still we have H4 tag. Okay. Since it is in a text block, let me delete this and let me place a code snippet. And this should work. BR tag, since it was in text, it was showing as it is. And here it should have the H5 tag. Open and your H5 tag closed. This should work. Okay. Question number 1, who is the father of C programming? These are the options. Answer, your answer. Your answer is not getting displayed. What is the problem there? Okay, I changed the variable, right? So I changed the variable. This is the student answer. So I need to go with this variable. So this will be our video. Next video will be adding those data. Now we are almost ready to. Okay, this is good. Question number one, wrong answer. Question number two, correct answer. Your total score, questions asked two, correct answers and wrong answers. Okay, this looks perfectly fine. So that I'm almost ready with my entire project here. So please watch all these videos. So this is my fifth video, just to highlight on that one. So now I need to see whether it works as expected by giving the right information or sending it. So let me stop the screen sharing and let us test it with the people who are in this classroom. Thank you. I'm stopping the video and the recording.